So it works pretty damn good. I like it. You can draw it out pretty quick. It goes back in, nice and smooth. It is a little bit tight because I had to reshim it, but can't swing it too much because the camera isn't that far away and I have a low ceiling. But it kind of shifts a little bit once you get to the Koriguchi, so you got to kind of move it, but it works really good. A lot of people will say, why am I wearing this? Because it's traditional, the style that I learned. We wear like wagasashi or tanto. So the only difference is it's not tied, because you want to tie the saya to your belt so when you pull on it, it doesn't pull the saya out. But it definitely does work really good. Okay, well that's all helpful for you guys. Hopefully everybody had a good 4th of July weekend, and we'll see you later.